Hey, what is going on there YouTube? This is Robert and today I am bringing you to an unboxing with the things just behind. This unboxing was going to be going out on Wednesday, but obviously my things didn't arrive, so that is what it is. I was also going to have another video up or just a video out on Wednesday. That didn't happen either because I just didn't finish editing it, so instead I'm just going to have things going out over the next couple of days in the end when this goes out, probably during the weekend. But yeah, currently the last couple of things I was waiting for to arrive have arrived, being from Supreme and then something else that I ordered. So yeah, we're just going to get straight into this. But as per norm, let me know down below whether you're going to be stocking, rocking or reselling anything that you've picked up, and if any of your orders have arrived from Supreme yet. Also, whether or not you had a good Christmas or not, because Christmas is tomorrow. So yeah, anyway, let's get straight into this. Okay, so as you can tell, everything has arrived. I might just change this camera angle in a second, but yeah, we've got 4 things to go through. Let's just get straight into this. Okay, so we're going to kick off with these 2 that I've got just here. So I need to turn this over first and foremost, and then we need to open this up. Now this is actually, I believe, from Browser, Boone's Discord, because basically they had a thing going which was Toys for Tots, where you donated some money and then basically the overall amount of money would then go towards buying toys for kids who aren't able to have any. So yeah, I donated, well, I'm not going to say how much I donated, but I donated twice in the end just because I wasn't really looking for any of the stickers or anything. It was just a good thing to do at the end of the day, but I appreciate the stickers that have been sent. So we've got 2 small ones, being Thanksgiving and then the American flag. If that focus, probably not. I'll show the larger ones anyway. And then we've got a couple of large ones. Oh, we've also got Grinch ones, that's cool. I've got 2 small ones and then 1 of each of the larger, which should hopefully focus, please. There you go. So yeah, I appreciate that and all of the work that Peacocks in Boone's group did for that. Amazing, honestly, really, like, genuinely amazing thing he did. So yeah, next up, this should be something that I ordered a little bit ago, but as always I'm great at opening things. So this is basically from Will and E's drop that he did, or his merch drop that he did. Wow, that's a cool box. So it's from his YM season 2. Now I didn't realise that YM meant your mother. Last year I went for the drop as well. I didn't get anything and I still didn't know that that's what it meant, but regardless, yeah, YM season 2. So I messaged him because I didn't know what my sizing would be. So I just dropped him a general message to ask him about that. And yeah, he said that medium would be good because this would be quite baggy. So that is that. So we've got a couple of stickers, sort of like Cartoon Network, and then another one which is just season 2, and then we've got what I ordered. Now I ordered a pair of joggers, oh, and another sticker as well. I ordered a pair of joggers, and yeah, also you get this. Some of them might say like the Smash Mouth All-Star lyrics. If they do, then you get an amount of merch in the end, or merch free, and yeah, Will and Lee joggers, medium, great. Let's crack them open. They're nice and soft as well. I can already feel it. So yeah, I picked them up because why not at the end of the day. So yeah, there you go. I might just lob them on quickly. Yeah, they are definitely oversized. I might need to give them like a hot wash or something. But yeah, there they are anyway. But they are massive. I should have gone for a small. Like, so yeah, that is that. I could have probably gone for a small, to be honest, in the end. On to the next piece, we have Palace. Well, I obviously only went for one thing from them, being the obvious tee that I went for. So let's take that out. Standard sticker, obviously, and there it is, the Mr. Hanky. So yeah, I might be wearing this at some point, or I might just hold on to it to wear at some point in time, but I really did just want to get it because I grew up watching South Park, and it's just one of those things where like, I just had to get it at the end of the day. So let's calm things down because I've gone a little bit fast, to be honest, but yeah, let's slow things down and talk about this, which is obviously going to be the Supreme Chucky. Now obviously I said that I had my sort of terror with Chucky when I was younger. There's also a mask, like a Halloween mask that my dad got, that my brother also wore at points to scare me, that basically he got when we were on holiday when I was younger in Portugal. And yeah, I was basically woken up whilst they were wearing the mask, and that added to my hate of Chucky in the end, apart from my initial fears. But I never thought I'd be buying a Chucky doll, but you know, it was one of the best items of the season, so God. As you can see, says Chucky, he wants you for a best friend, let him share your secrets. Hi, I'm Chucky, let's play. Oh my. Okay, alright, let's take him out. Oh God. Okay, there he is. Yeah, he's probably just going to go back into the box and stay like that. Oh, there's a sticker as well, I can see. So no Mariah Carey, just a single that, and no like pin or button either, so that's nice of them. But yeah, there he is in all his horror. I'm not going to be getting him out because obviously, like I said, he's just going to be, I'll probably just put him into like another box behind that. But yeah, you can see all the little bits and pieces. Why does it have to say try me? That's just not, it's not great. But yeah, there we go. That is that. That's him. He is just gonna freak me out, I think, at the end of the day. So let's just turn him away. But yeah, that is going to cover this video anyway, as per norm. Let me know down below the recent things that you have picked up. As always, I'll just slowly go through everything. So you've got a little sort of thank you from Will and E's thing, which is YM Season 2. Thank you for supporting the drop, you gorgeous soul. This item will never be restocked. Now they did say, I believe afterwards, that there is an amount of time where, I think it's now, where people are contacting and emailing and such for sizes or for sizing. So I'll see whether or not a hot wash would be okay on that, or whether it would damage the graphics, because I really don't want to damage anything. And I'm not really a person who wears too much oversized. He said it'd be a little baggy, but I mean, I normally wear a large, so going for a medium, you know, is a drop down for me. But yeah, for it to be as baggy as it was, I wasn't really expecting that. So yeah, I should have probably gone for a small in the end, but that's just my mistake at the end of the day. But that is going to cover this video, like I said. Thank you for watching. I hope that everyone did have a great Christmas. And yeah, that's about it. Nice and simple unboxing. I'll see you all next time. I hope that you have a good day, and that is it. So yeah, I'll see you all next time. I'll probably pick up one of the stickers and the buttons at some point in time, just because I want to have them. But yeah, that's it. I'll see you all next time. Peace.